Today we are doing the perfect ballet core makeup look. It's romantic, easy to wear and so pretty. Hi everyone, I'm Angie and welcome back to my channel. Here we do all things makeup, skincare and looking pretty. If that's your vibe, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are starting off with e.l.f. Hello Glow liquid filter. I apply it all over my face to get that within glow. You can use your finger or a brush, but I personally like to apply the product with a flat brush first, then blend everything out with a puff for that natural finish. This gives us the perfect soft focus base to build that palette for blushy skin. Next, I use my concealer to spot conceal any dark spot or pigmentation. I love using a small precision brush here. It helps me be super targeted so I don't lose that natural skin texture. Whatever is left, I use to brighten my under eye and around my mouth area for even complexion. Now for the blush, I'm using a Rare Beauty cream blush on the back of my hand first. Then with a small brush, I gently tap onto the apples of my cheek. I always apply a little blush on the bridge and tip of my nose. It gives youthful and flush vibe. I even swipe the leftover product across my eyelids for soft and more monochromatic looks. To lock everything in place, I set with a lightweight powder. We want soft matte finish, not cakey, so I focus mainly on the T-zone and under eyes, keeping the glow on the high points. For brows, I fluff them up using a brow wax. Then, I go in with a brow setter to hold the shape all day long, because we want them to stay cute and structured without looking too harsh. I take my Hoola bronzer to lightly contour my nose. I keep it super natural here. The goal is subtle dimension. Soft blending is key for effortless beauty. For the eyes, I use a light pink eyeshadow and blend it all over my lids and softly into my crease. Then, I take the same shade along my lower lash line to tie the look together. I line my eyes off camera, then I curl my lashes. Next, I apply a natural looking lashes to give soft flutter. Then I highlight these to bring that twinkle. For lips, I go in with a nude pink lipstick, then blot it with a tissue for that soft matte finish. I go in with a lip liner to gently define the shape and give a little dimension. The result is that perfect soft pink pout that completes the ballet core fantasy. And that's the final look, a soft, romantic ballet core moment. If you love this look and want more soft girl, clean girl or dreamy aesthetic makeup, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out with me today and stay glowing and stay soft. Until next time, I'm Angie signing off with love.